Hi everyone, we've come out just for a couple of hours. Well, it's nice weather, just we can't go far, so we just thought we'd do a bit of bug exploring or something or other. But I found this little place we've never seen before. It's literally main road there, and you turn around, excuse the weeds, and there's this. My camera skills still need some work, you know.
A lot of work.
So literally in the middle of the town, kind of. Look at this. I love living here. Ish. I'd rather be in the country, but can't have everything our own way, I guess. So let's go see what we can find. I know there's no spiders, we've already looked. We're all hiding for the day. Right, so we've just come out of there. There's a little bit of rivers behind there. And we've seen some bugs, so we've come out to here. We've already been up this way once, but we walked up the alley really to get out onto, which is actually the main route into the town. And we're going to take you there, but I'm going to put it on fast forward because I'm going to walk up and show you how close this little bit of nature or country is to the main road. So we got to here, walked up the alley, and we're going to go out there onto the road. What's in this? So we thought we'd see what was up there. So this is what we found. I can't tell from here, but I'll show you in a minute. There's actually two little ways into that woods, and that's where we're going to go.
Don't drop your phone.
I won't. I hope. So we thought this was it at first, so we come a little bit further, and there is a trail going up there, which I'm not sure, I don't actually know where it goes that way, and then there's that down there, which I know where that goes, I think. On my next giveaway, I'm going to give away a teenage son.
Yay.
So what we're going to do is we're going to go up that way, see what's up that way, backtrack and go back the other way, just for fun to see, because I've never been here, so this is as new to me as it is to you. So let's go find out.
That's a millipede.
Isn't it? It's look at the little legs, the way it goes in waves. I've never actually noticed.
Yeah, that's what they do. I want a centipede, you know.
No.
I want one. Can we keep
And
it?
he's gone. That's a
Can we keep it?
millipede, not a centipede.
I know it's a millipede, not a centipede. Can be a centipede.
There's, oh, follow the little path, but I don't think it's a path anymore, it's all collapsed.
Including the fence.
Yeah, including that fence over there, look, it's all gone down.
That's a sad fence.
So, we're not going this way. We wondered why it was all blocked off over there. There was a little path coming down this way like that. And then it was fenced in with the railings, but that explains it. A couple of trees in the water as well.
My question is, why is the fencing around that tree over there?
I think it might have been put up there when they just decided to decorate the tree with a fence. I don't know. Not sure how steep that looks on the camera, but it's practically vertical.
It's like a 45-degree angle.
So we ain't going to try that, and it's been raining, so it's not that dry either. It is a path, you can see it. Let's go down there to that tree back, look at it. But not today.
No.
So, we'll keep going up this way. So we come through the trees. We went into like a clearing. It was like a field, an overgrown field. And come back through the trees, and it looks like it's going to loop back round, come in this way, and it's going to loop back round here and go back up to the same bit. It's been a good little walk. It hasn't been long, about half an hour. This little bit brings you right down to the river. There's nothing here like, it's just boring, I guess. But it's better than being in the town. All you can hear is the river and the birds. It's quite pretty. We're going to loop round now and go back to where we started and do the trail to the left. Right, we lied. It didn't go around in a loop. It carried on, so we've just come up this way. Now we have that way, or we have that way, or we have that way. We're not too sure which way to go.
One.
We'll have to choose one. So, do we veer off to the left? We didn't actually realise this bit of countryside was so big. We thought it was literally going to be like half an hour and we've been round it. It's really surprised me, and there's all that up there that we've not even been in. We've literally just walked up the side of this river, which is behind these trees here. So what's in all that, I have no idea. But I think we might just go up the main course, the main way, Or do we stop here, go back and do the other end actually, and come back to this another day? I'm not sure. But I want to finish it. But I don't think we're going to get it finished in one day. It's getting quite late. I think we'll just walk up the main bit. Okay guys, it has been literally about 3 seconds where I've just said which way should we go. And now which way do we go? Left or right? Oh dear. Which way?
Right.
Right, we're going right. We found this path here that, oops, it's not even on the camera. This here, it's like a public footpath now. It's actually a trail. You can see the sign. I don't know whether you can see it. I can't even see it on the camera, but oh, there it is, peeping there. But we should really be walking up that way. That's the way we should be going now.
Well, you decided
But
we're going
then
this way.
I found that. Would you not want to see what's at the top of them steps?
No.
And then look at that. We're gonna have to go down there. Come on, you can come down with us. If I fall, don't laugh.
Oh, I will laugh. Trust me. Okay then.
Oh, I thought this was going to be the bit of a river we were following up, but this is literally
I mean,
nothing.
It's a bit of a river.
Yeah, this is not what we've been following.
What kind of filter have you got on that?
I don't know. Oh, it's because I got it on zoom, not a filter.
No, it's not. It's because of case.
Yeah,
Because you're
probably.
case.
So we're going to go and see what's at the top of these steps. So the top of the stairs were here, and it's just brought us out above the railway line. But the path does carry on that way, but we're not going to do that today because it looks like it goes to the right and straight ahead. Maybe another day, because I can see where it goes over there. So we're going to go back the way we come in, find where we started and go out the other way. Okay, we've just been on Google Maps just to see where we are, because obviously we come through the woods on a little trail, but we're on like a footpath here, so we were looking to see if we can get back onto the trail we come up on, and we're seeing something, which is, if you can see there in front, it looks like a round something.
Weird circular structure.
Yeah. So we're going to go and see what it is. It's probably nothing.
Got a picture of what it looks like on Google Maps. Come on.
Yeah.
That's what I found on Google Maps.
Yeah, so we're going to go in like a horseshoe shape. And we can vaguely see it over there. So you can come with us. Oh, while we see what it is. I don't understand what it would be in the middle of like nowhere. Has it been something? Was it something? Is it something they've made? If it's something they've made for like sitting on, like benches, and why is there no actual path to it? Why is it overgrown?
Probably was the path that was overgrown.
No.
I say we take that path out.
Yeah, we'll take that path out that way.
Oh wow.
But that, oh, that's actually quite cool. It's not old, certainly not, and it's not been a building. But what actually is it?
It was built like this.
Yeah, it was, yeah. It's probably had, by the looking at it, if you look at the circle of weeds on the inside, it's had something on the inside. Maybe it was...
benches or something.
Yeah, or a monument. I don't know, there's no... That might have been the sign.
That,
Yeah.
it's just what people pulled off here.
Oh yeah. Just looking to see if there was plaques, signs, saying. I don't think we're going to go down there, that
No.
looks a bit dodgy. But I think you can because there's a track. Might have a look at that before we come out of here. But no, there's nothing to say what it is. It's modern. Oh, there's pictures on the inside. I've just seen something, so we'll go on the inside of it. See if we can... Looks like some of them are covered by the weeds, but I've just... Right, where was it? Let me...
Over there.
There's one. It's a mushroom,
It's a shroom.
clearly. And... Yeah, I think there's bits missing. That's a bird. That looks like an otter by the tail, maybe.
Possibly.
There's sunshine, but what a shame it's all ruined. I bet it were nice when it were done. Maybe it was a park. It's just overgrown. Moon down there. Butterfly's still nice though. I can't tell what that is through the weed. But I think that's it. It looks like they were like stamped into plaster, and half the plaster's come off now. So all carved out stone, yeah. I'm just gonna have a nosy down because there's loads of little where people have walked. I just want to see what's down this way first, and then we're gonna go out. Yeah, I just want to see. Because look, it looks like people. No, I think you can get down there.
I'll pass.
Do you not want to go down there?
Fine, that's fine.
So we're off the trail again onto a different one. Look.
We're going to end up being out for hours.
We're getting lost.
One of the two.
But I think this will probably bring you back to where we originally was, I'm thinking.
Oh,
It's quite
let me have a
steep.
look.
Get your map out. We don't normally take
Right,
maps.
so I can see the path.
You see where we're going?
Right, so that's where we've just gone.
Yeah.
Through here. Up onto this path. Which should probably take us around here.
Yeah, it's going to lead us back to where we started, isn't it, originally?
Actually, no, because this is where we... yeah, this is where we started. It should take us back there.
Oh, damn it. So as we were saying, I got confused then. We were looking at the map. We don't normally use a map. Where we've been walking so far is what we do every year, multiple times a year, but we've never ever been this, and it is literally off the main road.
You can still hear traffic.
Yeah, you can hear the traffic in the background. But this piece of countryside is huge. I never realised how big it was going to be, so we've had to get the map out just to see,
Where we're going.
yeah, if we can get back onto the trail. And there's loads and loads. We're going to have to come back another day and redo this. and do all, because there's multiple ways off the tracks. So it's gonna take a full day to explore the whole lot of it, and I want to get it all on video, because there might be different things we've missed, like that little round thing. Then we'd have never have seen that.
No.
But so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down here before I bore you to death. Get back onto the track, and we're gonna come back another day, and we'll do the path to the left and all the little trails that we missed today. Right, we made it back to the Orange Bridge where we started, and that's a trail. We're going to nip up there now. That's the one we've been up and been round, and we missed half of it because there's trails coming off all over. But we're going to come back another day and do it. But Son's had a good idea. He says come back in winter time or autumn, when all the weeds have grown back, or died as I should say. Then, because I know on some of our walks we find a lot more stuff when there's no weeds through the winter time. You find bits of buildings and ruins and things like that that you just can't see when it's like this. So we might do that instead, just come back in the winter time, but we'll see. But for now we're going to go up here, just do the main trail for now, come out, go and get something to eat and go home for now. So we will see you if there's anything interesting up this way.